Greetings, lovelies. Welcome or welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. How about some delicious, tasty chia seeds pudding straight from Sister J's kitchen? Let me tell you a little about chia seeds. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse packed with fiber, protein, healthy fats, and essential mineral like calcium and iron. They are also packed with antioxidants that can protect your cell from damage. Consuming chia seeds may also support your brain health by providing omega-3 fatty acid. The high amount of fiber they produce can aid in digestion and regularity. That being said, let us make some chia seed pudding. Here I have my chia seeds. I also have some cinnamon powder and almond milk. Simple and easy. You can use any milk of choice for this chia seed pudding. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chia seed to this container, followed by 1 cup of almond milk and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So I'm just going to go ahead and stir this up and get everything incorporated. The chia seed will absorb the liquid, so they're going to expand. Now I'm adding some blueberries. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover this container. I'm going to sit it in the refrigerator overnight. So I'm shaking it up before I put it in the refrigerator. So guys, after a few hours, this is what my chia seed pudding looks like. And I pour it in the container and I top it off with some of my favorite berries. When it comes to chia seed pudding, you can add any fruits of your choice for the toppings, if you choose to have a toppings. So I'm adding some nuts to this, and this completes my chia seed pudding. And this is a healthy, delicious breakfast. And there you have it, lovelies, my chia seed pudding, straight from Sister J's kitchen. Try this delicious and healthy recipe out and thank me later. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love.